Hello. So I'm going to do the Rubik's Cube challenge. Obviously, I have this. For context, I am using references. So I've got a couple of pages of just my handwritten scribbles. They're a combination of some solutions that I've seen done in the wild, translated into how my brain needs them to work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle this thing up nice and good without looking at it, and then I will show it to you. And then I'll get started. I'm not starting a clock, but I don't think this will be a record-breaking time anyway. All right, so this is where we're starting. I still haven't seen it. I assume that's in camera. Okay, perfect. And I think this is where we start the time lapse. First layer. Two layers. And, oh gosh, was that off camera? Anyway, I succeeded and it took that long.